My responsibilities at Charter are cost management, vendor relationships, and basically keeping the company out of trouble when it comes to phone. I am in TeleLink 7 daily, if not, pretty much all day. Anything that's roll call completion comes across my desk, and sometimes we find the mistakes or the unintended consequences of a vendor rate deck solely through T7, where it would take a month of invoicing before I would actually see that from a billing perspective. Yeah, it helps me in many ways. The experiences that I have sailing, which are rules-based experiences, help me understand how the Equinox platform within TeleLink 7 is working for us. Basically, what you give, the data you give it, has to be within the construct of the rules that you've asked of it. And if you give it garbage, you get garbage out. You have to pay attention to your rules. It's been exemplary. I've never had an issue reaching anybody. I mean, I've had some problems that I induced, problems that I created I couldn't figure out how to get out of, and Kevin and the support team have been very much hands-on getting me the answers I need.